Hey guys, welcome back to another exciting review. Today we're diving into the world of motorcycle navigation with the BMW Motorrad Navigator 6 LCD screen. If you're looking to take your riding experience to the next level, this is the product for you. First off, let's talk about the amazing features of this LCD screen. The high-quality display panel and touch screen functionality make navigating a breeze, allowing you to focus on the open road ahead. With its sleek design and advanced technology, you'll be riding in style and with confidence. But that's not all. This LCD screen is built to last. Its durability ensures that it can handle whatever the road throws at it, giving you peace of mind on every ride. And with easy installation, you'll be back on the road in no time. So why should you choose the BMW Motorrad Navigator 6 LCD screen? Well, not only does it enhance your overall riding experience, but it also provides you with the tools you need to explore new roads and make unforgettable memories. Now, if you're ready to take your motorcycle navigation to the next level, click on the link in the description to purchase your own BMW Motorrad Navigator 6 LCD screen. Don't miss out on making your next ride an adventure. Subscribe for more content and we'll see you in the next video. Happy riding!